Hey folks, let's continue with our MongoDB series, and in this video we are going to talk about sorting and limiting data in our MongoDB. So without further ado, let's start the video. So basically we have two collections. First one is books and second one is temporary. So let's go to our books. So db.books.find, and let's say I want to count the number of entries in our database. So let's say find, and after using chaining you can provide here count function. So let's press enter, and you can say we have 7 entries. You can see 7 entries with the use of find method, and you can see we have 7 entries here. Now let's say I want to filter out some of the data in the count. So let's say find, and let's say I have author name. So let's provide here author, and let's copy this author name. We just copy and paste. Now it will return me the number of entries which have author name Michael Roberts. So let's press enter, and you can see we have only one entry which has author name is this. Now let's try something else. Let's say we need, let's say, publication year. So let's go with publication year, and first of all let's say yes. Let me remove this publication here, and I want 2022 and press enter. So you can see we have two data which is containing 2022 publication year, and you can see in this data we have first data is here, whisper in the wind, and second one is here. So that's how we can use count method in our MongoDB. So now let's talk about sorting method in our MongoDB. So first of all, let's provide here db.books.find, press enter. We have this data. Now let's say I want to sort this data on the basis of publication year. So let me copy this, and let's provide here db.books.find, and let's say short. Let's provide here name. I think we have to provide here this publication year 1. Let me close this, press enter, and you can see our data is sorted on the basis of publication year. This is 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2022, 2022, and 2022. So that's how we can use sorting method. Also we can use descending sorting with the use of -1. Press enter, and you can see our data is descending order. So that's how we can use sorting and limiting our data in MongoDB. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.